If you're looking to start selling stickers, or maybe you are already selling stickers, but you want to improve your mock-up photos or the photos that you're using in your listings, then this video is for you. Now, last week I put out a full tutorial on how to make and sell stickers on Etsy. And in that video, I shared how to do a very simple mock-up. Someone in my Facebook group actually shared with us where we can get a realistic looking hand to use for our mock-ups, and that's over on Creative Fabrica. So I love being a part of a Facebook community because while I do know a lot, I certainly don't know everything, and it's great when collective minds come together and can share knowledge and resources with each other. So if you're not a part of my Facebook group yet, I would like to invite you to join us. It's 100% free and it is linked down below in the description. So let's go ahead and pop over to Creative Fabrica together and take a look at all of the great mock-ups that they have available for us. We're going to make this mock-up right here together today, and it looks way more realistic because it has the thumb over top of the sticker, and as you can see, this is a nice little movable thumb. And shout out to Colleen for letting me know about this because I wasn't even aware that Creative Fabrica had these PNG files until she mentioned it in the Facebook group. So over on Creative Fabrica, in the search bar, I have just typed in sticker hand mockup, and you can scroll through here and see all of the different hands, and as you see, they have the extra thumb, so you can easily layer it over top inside of Canva without Photoshop. So you can just scroll through here and take a look at the various different hands that they have, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, so let's click on that. And then we can see here that this is commercial usage allowed, and it comes with a PNG file for the hand and also a PNG file with the thumb cut out. So all you have to do now is just download this. It's going to download as a zip file. You just double click on it and drag those two separate PNG files to your desktop. And then we're going to pop back over to Canva and load them into our Canva account to put it all together. So now we are over in Canva on a 2000 by 2000 pixel template, and right here where this is uploads, you can upload those two parts of the hand. Then we're going to go ahead and set a background here. So I just typed in nature background, and I'm scrolling through to find something that I like. And I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and right click, and then we are going to set that as our background. And now I'm just going to go ahead and paste the hand on here. Then I'm going to add the sticker. So we're going to add the sticker, and then I'm going to add the thumb over top. And then we're going to add it there. And if we need to, you can resize it just by simply dragging the corners of it to make it bigger or smaller until you just get it right in alignment with the hand underneath. And so it looks like it's not layered, but it is just one hand holding a sticker. And that is literally how simple it is to make yourself realistic sticker mock-ups. And then to download this for your Etsy listing, we have, as I mentioned, a 2000 by 2000 template. You're just going to download this as a JPEG. And then also, if you're looking for any other kind of mockups, it's really easy to search on here. So I just typed in Bella Canvas t-shirt mockups. As you can see, you can scroll through and find a ton of different mockups. So this is a very affordable way to get started with your mockups if you don't want to individually buy them from Etsy, which with t-shirts I typically do recommend because I think they have the best t-shirt mockups on Etsy. But when it comes to stickers, I definitely think Creative Fabrica has some of the best mockups for stickers. So just come in here, search, find what you need. Creative Fabrica is a wealth of graphics for your print-on-demand store, and it has been priceless in my business. If you haven't signed up with them yet, you can get set up for free and test it out. I have all of those links for you down below in the description. So as a quick bonus, let's go ahead and just do a t-shirt one. And so I'm going to go ahead and download this, and we can see right here it says that the file is a JPEG of 3000 by 2400 pixels. So that's what we're going to set our template for on Canva. All right, so I have loaded this up in Canva, and then we're just going to go ahead and add a simple design to this. And with this one, since it is slightly turned to the side, we would just turn this one just a little bit, and then we would click up here to lower the transparency just a tad so it looks more incorporated with the shirt. And then you have your really simple shirt mock-up ready to go. And anytime you want to reuse this, all you have to do is delete your design off of there and then add your new design. And of course, then download that one and repeat the process, right? These are unlimited usage, and there's endless amounts of options available on Creative Fabrica. And as you can see, editing them in Canva is such a breeze. And as you go along, if you get more, you just add extra pages in here. Just create your templates and easily paste your design, copy paste on top of each extra template, and you should be able to knock those out in less than 5 minutes and turn those into lots and lots of profit. So thank you everyone for your support, and if you have used any of my affiliate links, I truly appreciate you so much. And without you, I wouldn't be able to be here and give out all of this great free information. So make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.